Be a sore.
Be a good sore.
Hey everybody, welcome to the front row. We are here on a very, very exciting Monday here at Universal Orlando Resort. We are gonna get to ride Velocicoaster today. No more waiting, no more.
What should I scream for? This is my theme park.
This, we got another orange fizzy and the peach tree fizzy over at Wizarding World, just to give a little break before the excitement, because it is a blistering 95 degrees outside today. So let's try this peach stuff. Ooh, that's really good. It's like a peach. It just tastes like you just bite into a peach.
They either have like a fast.
Wow, that's good.
Like kind of like a fast pass or whatever line, like a quicker line.
And a little fizzy orange.
Or if they don't have an express line after that attraction,
Which is fantastic. I needed to chill out before we get on the crazy, go wait over at Velocicoaster. But I can't wait. See you guys over at Islands. We're just gonna hang out here until we go there. It's hot outside, so we're just trying to chill. The next couple of weeks they're going to let people get on it.
Ladies and gentlemen, Velocicoaster is experiencing a brief delay in operation.
Excellent.
We apologize and thank you for your patience.
Our dino patience. It's really happening. I'm in. Now we're waiting in line. So we're gonna wait in line. I'll see you on the other side. I'm so excited. Oh my God, we're in. We're so in. We're so riding this today. Look at that, these statues up close. This is the closest that, obviously, that I'm gonna be. We're going in. I can't believe I'm actually going in. I'm going in. It's real. It's really opening. It's real for real. I'm going in. This beautiful new courtyard. The ride goes all around it. And then the front of the Discovery Center there. Super, super hype. It's going down. We are definitely going to videotape the inside, guys. I will give you a shot of the queue. I'm so excited. All right, we're going in.
That you might have to go back in time millions of years to experience. Of course, guest safety is our paramount concern. In the grooming stations, each specimen undergoes a complex, comprehensive examination after every running cycle. Every aspect of the animal's physical condition, ophthalmological, dental, respiratory, and cardiovascular, is kept under close and constant monitoring. Our internationally recognized team of more than 40 specialized veterinarians, as well as our elite team of over 20.
Baby girl.
I'm sorry, not pretty. You're very scary. You're a very scary, scary dinosaur.
There is a sign
Well, if you have the same ticket, it can go in the same
before we
line.
return to this room. You remember that number, symbol, or color to retrieve your items. You must put all of your loose items, except the park ticket, in the locker. Don't forget to empty your pockets. Put it in the locker.
Crap, that's the best ride in the world. That's the best ride in the world. Where's our picture? Hey, get a picture. I want to buy a picture.
Okay, we'll buy the picture.
Yes, first impression, that's my new favorite ride in the world. It's not like Hagrid, it's not like friendly. Velocicoaster is very aggressive, it's very angry, it's very mean, and I love it. Lots of ejector air time. It's essentially all ejector air and hang time. You're gonna hang and feel like you're gonna fall out, and it's going to buck you and you're gonna feel like you fall out. It is the best ride in the world. I've been to Cedar Point, I've been to many Six Flags, I've ridden some of the biggest, tallest, fastest rides in the world. Nothing quite compares to that one. There's just something about it. Not only is it heavily themed, but again, I told you, just one word, relentless. It's just relentless. It's just mean and relentless. Those screams are for real.
That's
Get that river adventure finished so we can get our Moses.
So that is pretty much gonna do it for us today. We're heading out. It is blistering hot. But thank you for watching. And remember, the front row is always worth the wait, and be kind to each other.